Question number 2 is a question that is plaguing the human heart. The question is, why am I here? It's a question of purpose. Why am I here? Everybody's trying to do something so that it can show that they are impactful. This is why you will see people they are confusing wanting to be famous for wanting to be great, because purpose makes great, but any other thing gives fame, it gives celebrityhood. But this is why you will see most celebrities, they are frustrated, they are depressed. And they are not frustrated, depressed because they are celebrities, but because they found themselves in the wrong thing. They find themselves not knowing themselves, compromising, having sold their convictions, having sold their innocence. And so most people are plagued by this question, the question of purpose. Why am I here? What am I born to do? What am I born to do? When I leave this world, what do I want people to line up, to get up, and to say, you have lived up your purpose for? Jesus, when he died, he did not say, I am finished, but he said, it is finished. In other words, the thing that I was sent to do, I did that very thing. I did it with my diligence, with my utmost ability, and I have exhausted all of it. So all of us, when we leave this world, we must have answers to this question. Who am I? Why am I here?